This is Julian, and today I'm presenting you 1000 Fans, which is a new platform to provide token gated content for musicians, artists, like content creators in general. Could be like movie producers as well, music labels, these kind of persons that usually struggle in the competition to become popular with their content. And there is this theory that says you don't need millions of followers to make a living as a craftsperson or as an artist. All you need are 1000 true fans, 1000 people that would agree on spending $100 every year for you, for your work, because they like what you do, they like your music, they like your movies. And with this 100 revenue from 1000 people, you could basically generate 100,000 US dollar every year. And this will provide you usually a decent life to live out of your crafts work. So the platform I'm presenting here is called 1000 Fans. It's available on 1000fans.xyz. There's a demo of the platform on this subdomain, Theosis. So I'll show you that, what it looks like here. Here we go. So that's the platform when no account is connected. You can see what it looks like. It has widgets on the side. You have 4 different widgets to provide music, videos, private events, and a chat room. In the footer, you have this toggle to set it light or dark. There's a console and a login. If you reduce this screen, you will see it switch to a mobile view, which is pretty decent and reactive. Here we go. That's what it looks like on your mobile. And now what happens if I try to access the music collection, for example? It tells me to connect my wallet because I have no wallets connected. Likewise, if I go on the console now, I will be told, please log in to check your fans token. So that's what I'll do. Login. I will log in my testnet account. If I go back on console now, they will say you don't own a token, so they can check once your wallet is connected. It will check your wallet and check if you have this fans token. I will try to claim my fans token here. Sorry. Yes, it has been to mint. Here we go. So now I just minted my fans token. I can transfer it to someone else, but so far I will keep it because I want to show you how it looks like now. Now if you go back on the main page at theosis.1000fans.xyz, by clicking it again, you will be able to open a widget. Those widgets are effective. So here you can play some music. Can we hear it? Yes, we can play some music. We can reduce the volume as well. You have here a playlist that's showing the 5 next songs. Like, unfortunately, this one doesn't have a cover, but I mean, most songs would have one, if I'm lucky. Yeah, here we go. That's what it looks like when you have a cover in the metadata of the MP3 that you previously deployed. So that's one thing. You have another widget for videos. Yeah, these are the videos I've been recording some time ago. So this is where you will essentially upload your streams at the same time as you upload some versions on YouTube, for example, or other streaming media. You could provide your fans with, let's say, a longer version, behind the scenes and unreleased content. So then you also have an events widget. As you can see here, it redirects to your parties, your events. That's one thing. And then you also have a chat room to chat with your peers privately. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, in the light version. All right. Well, guys, thank you for this. I want to tell you as well that obviously, if you connect your wallet, you will see a fans token who doesn't have an image yet. That's one thing, but you can still access it. Exclusive fan token, blah blah blah, owned by Julien Carbonnet. That's one thing. The other thing is, yeah, basically this code is open, so you should be able, there is everything like he described, and there is also a tutorial to clone your own 1,000 fans. I wish in some time you will be able to go to the main domain 1000fans.xyz, and with 3 clicks, let's say, being able to deploy your own version. So I'm using, for example, this 1,000 fans. Suppose your name is I am the best singer .1000fans.xyz. You will go there and you will have your own version of that website. So I hope you like it. Actually, what has been an inspiration is like being able to create something like MySpace on the blockchain. So a MySpace that will be secluded to fans. That's one thing, and otherwise I must say a big thank you for this Near Rewards program, who provided the support to dedicate my effort on this project for the last 2 months. Thank you very much, guys. See you later. Bye.